Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can control a teen's use on Revolut 18. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you're on your Revolut, make sure that your country actually supports it, and then you will open your Revolut app or website, and what you will have to do is log in with your credentials. Then after logging in, you will see accounts. Go ahead and tap it, and then you will see teen accounts. After that, you will select teen account and then go ahead and click settings and then set spending limits, card controls, and notifications. Changes automatically apply, and then monitor usage from parent account. And that's just it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.